Two new complaints were filed against Youngsville's Police Chief Ricky Boudreaux. The complaints went before the Youngsville Police Civil Service Board today. One complaint, filed by an officer of the Youngsville Police Department, asks the board to recommend the chief hire someone to fill a position left vacant when a sergeant was fired back in April. That sergeant, a responding officer at the scene of a car crash involving former Youngsville Councilwoman Kayla Rayo back in November. Allegations spread that she was given special treatment, but the chief said that is not the reason for the officer's termination. Officials say the chief, by civil service law, has 60 days to fill the position, and the board voted and agreed to recommend the chief take action on hiring someone.
Officer that was terminated, that's his position they're trying to fill, and his appeal was pending, and instead of putting somebody in there, and if the disciplinary action was reversed, then you'd have had two people in the same thing. And so I don't want to be speaking for Chief Boudreaux, but I believe that was the reason that he did not immediately do it, and the hearing got continued twice. One because of an injury to one of the attorneys involved, and then a lack of a quorum, I believe, on the other one.
The second complaint against Chief Boudreaux was actually filed today as a petition. The Police Civil Service Board meeting took place inside Youngsville's City Hall Annex. News 10's Renee Allen brings us up to speed.
That petition was filed on behalf of the Peace Officers Association and Citizens for a New Louisiana. The petition underscores what they believe the chief did or failed to do. The Police and Civil Service Board received pages of a petition alleging instances of the chief fixing or canceling traffic tickets for certain council members at their request.
Various behaviors by the current chief, as well as action and inaction.
Youngsville Police and Civil Service Board attorney Dan Landry says the board will set the formally filed complaint for a hearing.
Investigation, whether they have the legal authority to conduct the investigation, if they make a decision they do want an investigation, what the nature of the investigation would be. If
the Civil Service Board finds something through their investigation, they can report those findings to another board or agency. Renee Allen, KLFY News 10.